Let me know what you guys would charge for a property like this. Drop it in the comments. We've got 2 dumpster pads, probably about 20 AC pads, and then we have about 20,000 feet of sidewalks. All right, y'all. I just pulled up to a property that we're quoting for one of our commercial clients. It's golden hour right now, looking good. But I just want to take a walk around the property, see how dirty all the sidewalks are, and look for water connections and different little things that I may need to be on the lookout for. All right, and we're clipped in. We got to do the AC pads here. We have to do the sidewalks here, and then we have to do the dumpster pads here. So nothing too crazy, but we're just trying to take a look at like how dirty these sidewalks are, which they're not too bad. And then we'll clean like this. We're just taking care of the inside curbs, not the outside. And then also we'll be taking care of all the way down here, this building, over here. There's a sidewalk that goes between this fence that we'll have to look at as well. But the sidewalks aren't too bad, so that's good, because we won't have to lay a surface cleaner on everything, which can save you a lot of time. And I'm just trying to make sure that there's no like big rust stains or anything that we're trying to be on the lookout for. But just kind of trying to put eyes on it. I can see it on Google Earth, but sometimes these bigger jobs you just want to walk in person, because you're kind of trying to double check that it's not going to be way more dirty than you thought, or there's going to be some hidden stains, or there's no water connection, or whatever it may be. So when it's a bigger job like this, it's worth just making the drive out and giving a quote. I was trying to see these AC pads, because that's one thing that they want. It looks like there's about 5 per alleyway, and then there's a central sidewalk that runs all the way down. The sidewalks are dirty though. Like, we'll have to definitely surface clean a lot of this. But she was telling me that the owners actually manage their own buildings, but the sidewalks and everything is managed by the property management company. And you see we have it going down here. So I already measured it on Google Earth, and it was about 20,000 square feet of concrete. So let me know what you guys would charge for a property like this. Drop it in the comments. We've got 2 dumpster pads, probably about 20 AC pads, and then we have about 20,000 feet of sidewalks. So I'm kind of curious on everybody else's prices and where everybody else stands on stuff like this. You can see all the water drains to right here. That's why it's so dirty right here. But I'm just kind of curious on how everybody else prices things out, especially for like a larger job like this. These clients manage a bunch of medical plazas, so we usually do clean on the weekends here. Right now it's pretty empty though. I wanted to see how dirty these dumpster pads were, because that's a big part of it. You see there's a bunch of trash right here, so that's something that we'll have to. Let's see how easy it is to get back here. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad back here. Then we'll be able to clean all this. And then she wanted me to look at this sign as well, which I don't know how dirty it is. It doesn't look that dirty, but we'll see. Like this concrete right here, we would just post street, wouldn't even really lay a surface cleaner on it. Okay, and then let's see this sign over here. I brought Roscoe with me. He's in the car. I left the car on, so he's all right. But then you also have like this sign right here that we're gonna be worrying about. And then also she wanted us to look at this sidewalk right here and this signage, which I think she wanted like all this right here taken care of. I don't know if y'all can see. Then this right here, and then all this brick right here. So it's definitely something we can do. We'll probably end up leaning a ladder up against this to be able to clean that. But I was trying to see what material this is made out of. But should be pretty straightforward. And then also we got to clean this sidewalk right here. And then there was one other building over here that we were needing to clean the sidewalks on. So it's a couple different parcels all throughout, but nothing that I don't think we can handle. And it wasn't too dirty either, so pretty confident on this one. We'll walk over here just to double check everything, and we'll just bounce from like section to section with what water we're tapping into. That way we don't put all the water on one building here, since it's all owned separately. We'll just kind of move from building to building and kind of distribute how much water we're using. And then there was these 2 dumpster pads over here I wanted to take a look at, which they don't look like they're going to be too bad either. And then it looks like it goes back there. That's another one we'll have to take care of. So we'll definitely have to move a few times on this job. This is pretty dirty back here. Yeah, so we'll probably just surface clean to the back of that dumpster because we can't take care of all these leaves. It's about 2 inches thick back there. So we got some stuff that can remove that rust. And yeah, other than that, that's pretty straightforward. Not as dirty as I actually thought. We've done a couple of these plazas for them, and sometimes these plazas can be really dirty because depending on how long it's gone since they last cleaned it. But this one's pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy. Just wanted to lay some eyes on it, like I said, and help me kind of gauge how much to charge, and especially for like the dumpster pads and stuff, because you want to be able to set your expectations with your clients before you send the quote or before you perform any services, because you don't want them to be thinking that you're going to be able to perform one thing and then not be able to provide those services, especially when it comes to like rust removal or stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to budget for like 1 gallon of rust removal. Got Roscoe right here. But yeah, that's basically the property. I'll give y'all one more like go around of it. So it's all this, all these, all the way down here, and then we walk the other side. So it's quite a bit of concrete, but nothing we can't manage. It'll probably take us probably 2 straight days. I usually work by myself. Sometimes I'll hire a buddy for a bigger job like this. But hopefully you guys enjoyed kind of just walking that property and seeing how to quote a commercial property. And if you guys have any questions or comments, and let me know how much you would charge for a job like this. And hopefully y'all will see us out here cleaning it in about a couple weeks or so. So take it easy, everybody. Peace.